Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Oppo A53S. Start by accessing Play Store on both smartphones and tapping on the search box. Now you need to type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer on both devices. Then open it. From this screen over here, you need to choose I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now select Send on an Android and Receive on Oppo. After that, you need to click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though to transfer all of them, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send. So sorry, misclick. Choose Send over here and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Oppo, then selecting Allow and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also simply input this key here and tap on Receive. And now, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!